Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Reading Made Easy. I hope you all are doing great. Let us read something very interesting today. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. The name of today's wonderful story is The Curious Rabbit. Now get ready because we are going to read it together. Once upon a time in a forest, there lived a curious little rabbit named Ria. Ria loved exploring and making new friends. One day, she met a wise old turtle named Gattu. Ria and Gattu became fast friends and they spent their days sharing stories and adventures. One sunny day, Ria discovered a hidden garden full of delicious carrots. Excited, she invited all her forest friends to share. As they all gathered to enjoy the carrots, they noticed a shy squirrel named Mittu watching from afar. Ria kindly invited Mittu to join them. Ria's kind nature taught everyone that sharing and including others brings joy. Moral of the story is sharing and including others in your joy makes life more beautiful for everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And please watch my other videos also. Let us meet in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.